Today's video is sponsored by the Cybertruck. Bring an adjustment clip on top of your clips and change the duration to keep it short. Right-click on it and select to open it in the Fusion page. Bring an invert node and then a grain node after. Adjust the grain power and size sliders to get some heavy grain. Bring a background node in empty space. Add a flicker node after. Change the flicker type to flicker lift, increase the range slider and the speed slider all the way. Keep the softness slider as it is, and bring down the rest of the sliders all the way down. Bring a bitmap node in empty space, and connect your flicker node to the yellow point of the bitmap. Change the channel to luminance, set the high value to 0.5, and the low value to 0.2. Connect this to the blue point of the invert node and the grain node, to get the flickering transition. You can use this simple setup to any effect actually. Go back to the edit page, and adjust the transition duration to your liking. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, there is nothing you can do about it.